Today on TT's Corner, I'll be featuring cancer.
Jesus, say a prayer for me. You know what I need. Go before the Father and intercede for me.
I am not 100% healed, but I'm getting there. So, this is what I have to say to you ladies, especially the ladies in Jamaica. Please, I am begging you to accept Dr. Christopher Tufton's offer in getting tested for cancer, because it is great to know your health status. Please listen to the video.
So a new offer this year from the National Health Fund is a subsidy of $1,300 to every Jamaican female 21 years and older to get an annual pap smear for detection of cervical cancer. This is a big development because we care about our women. Cervical cancer is the second leading cause of death in our women. And so this subsidy will hopefully encourage our women to get tested. So my encouragement is take advantage of this benefit from the National Health Fund, $1,300 per year, 21 years and over, to get tested. Of course, this is in addition to a PSA test that is offered with a $1,600 subsidy for our men who would like to do a prostate screening. And so we are catering to both males and females to do a screening as part of knowing your numbers and protecting your health.
Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you, and God bless you.